So hello, good morning, and today I'm going to show you something really cool, a DIY parking sensor made using an Arduino Uno and an ultrasonic sensor, just like the beeping sensor in real cars. And this project detects how close an object is and gives you a visual alert using an LED. It is a beginner friendly, super affordable, and honestly a lot of fun to build. So let's get into it. So let me explain you the components of it. First, this is the brain, the Arduino, the brain of a project. This is a HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor which detects the distance using sound waves. We have an LED here, the green colored LED, and we have the resistor connected to it. We have these are jumping wires which connect all the circuit, and a USB cable which powers the Arduino. Now let me walk you through the connections. So as you can see, it has four connections: the ground, eco, trigger and VCC. So the VCC goes to the 5 volt, which is the power supply. The ground goes to the ground. The trigger connects here right to the pin 9, and the eco connects to the pin 10. So, and also the LED, which whose long leg, which is the positive, is connected to pin 3, and the short is connected by a resistor, as you can see here, which is connected to the pin, which is connected to the ground. So now let's talk about the logic. The ultrasonic sensor works by sending a signal and sound wave from the trigger pin. Like for example, we have got a car, and the car moves and it sends a signal. So the trigger sends a signal here, and so the trigger pin, and waiting for it to bounce back to the eco pin, and the time it takes to return tells us the distance. So in code we calculate the distance using the simple formula: distance equals time divided by 58. So let so here, as we can see, we have set a threshold to 20, and the distance is calculated by duration by 58, which gives us the distance in centimeters. So if an object is closer than 20 centimeter, the LED turns on as a warning, and if it's further away, the LED stays off. Simple but effective, just like real parking sensor. Alright, let me now show you this live, and to make it more realistic, I'm using a toy car, as you can see it here. Think of this sensor mounted on the cardboard as the parking sensor on a car's rear bumper, and this toy car is our vehicle, and this wall in front is the obstacle. Just like in real life, when you reverse your car in a parking spot, like see this car, like we want to reverse it. Now we slowly moving the car and reversing the car, and the sensor detects that something is in between, and the sensor sends the signal and the LED glows, as we can see here. The sensor is doing this check every 100 milliseconds and completely in real time, and honestly this is the exact same technology inside every modern car. The only difference is real cars use multiple sensors and buzzer and instead of an LED, but the logic is completely identical to what